Grilled tomahawk steak with vegetables, mga cooking ina and everyone. Welcome to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. In this video, I am going to share my style preparing a beef cut called tomahawk. You know guys, the name tomahawk comes from the axe used by the Native Americans. This is an entrecote or ribeye with bone. For me, this is the best and the most delicious ribeye I have tried. Each of these is 1.2 kilos. So we have 2.4 kilos of the beef cut called tomahawk. I prepare to grill this first and to continue cooking in our oven with a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius to achieve our cooking grade we want. Now, join with me mga cooking ina and everyone preparing our recipe called grilled tomahawk steaks with vegetables, mga cooking ina. So we're making healthy food in this video. Hope you will like it and enjoy joining me here in my kitchen preparing our recipe. First, we dry our tomahawk. We add salt. Rub it in all around the meat. Rest for at least 15 minutes. This is a perfect time to prepare our roasted vegetables. Now, it's time to add brown black pepper to the meat. Now, we start grilling our tomahawk. We use direct heat. We grill until the tomahawk has a nice color all around. Now we have achieved the right color and we continue to cook in the oven. We use a thermometer to control the temperature. Around 55 degrees Celsius is medium rare for the perfect cooking grade. We take out the meat and let it rest for at least 10 minutes under foil. Let us slice the meat. It is important to cut against the grain. grilled cheese is a nice side dish to our steak and as garnish as well. And now here is our grilled tomahawk steak with vegetables, mga cooking ina and everyone. Hope you will try this recipe for your family as well. I'm very sure they will enjoy this food because this is very, very delicious, mga cooking ina and everyone. And thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen making this recipe, our grilled tomahawk steaks with vegetables, mga cooking ina and everyone. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!